research question. No. Oh no, you started it. Picking a research question/topic is one of the first steps in your research. It is essential that you pick a good research question, or else your entire study will fail. Here, we will teach you the things to avoid when picking a question, and how to narrow down your general topic of interest, how to phrase your question, and focusing your question about your gap. Am I funny?
And no, when picking a research topic, there are many types of questions you will want to avoid in order to get a sound research question. For example, please avoid opinionated topics such as abortion, because these are not scientifically based. Moreover, please avoid topics that are easily answerable, such as why is the sky blue? Also avoid really broad questions, such as how does marketing affect sales, and questions that cannot be answered by a high schooler in 6 months, such as what are the longitude effects of vaping in college?
So now you have your topic. However, you need to narrow it down to be able to research one specific issue in your topic. You want to ask yourself, what about the topic that you're researching is interesting, and what is it about your topic that's interesting, and is it something you want to delve deeper into? And
Yeah.
So now you have your topic. However, you need to narrow it down to be able to research one specific issue in your topic. You want to ask yourself, what about the topic I'm researching is interesting? And is it something I want to delve deeper into? What can I get more specific about? The Disney example works great here. As you can see, please explain this, Jillian, because no one knows what it means.
First, you have a general topic, such as, I'm interested in World War II. And then you try to narrow it down. I'm interested in the tank warfare in World War II. But what about the tank warfare in World War II? I'm interested in the tank warfare on the Eastern Front during World War II. But what about the Eastern... I'm jiggling it. Eastern Front. I'm interested in the tank warfare during the Battle of Kursk. What about that? I'm interested in the differences between the German and Soviet tanks in the Battle of Kursk. And then you finally have your topic completely narrowed down. What was the design of the Soviet T-34 tank a deciding factor in the Soviet victory at the Battle of Kursk? Yep, and that's how you narrow a topic of interest. You also want to be able to phrase your research question to maximize its clarity to the reader and its potential to you. Of course, it must be phrased as a question and include all of your variables that you are researching. An example of a question: how does increased utilization of screen technology affect social development in ages 0 to 5?
Once you have some semblance of a question, it is time to research your gap. The gap is the hole in research that you will be looking for and finding an answer for. Your research question will be investigating this gap for research.
When you are finding background from other sources in the field you are researching, you inquire and search about what they haven't looked at. That doesn't make sense. Search about? When you're finding background from other sources in the field you are researching, you inquire about what they haven't looked at, which leads you to your gap, where you edit your question and then cycle through the process again.
And that's how you pick your research question.
Oh, snap.